Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Komal, and if you're new to this channel, I'll be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. Okay, so today's video is very interesting as I'm going to be showing you two makeup looks, that is a day makeup look and a night makeup look. And the interesting part is I'm going to transform the day makeup into a night makeup just using three extra products. Isn't that interesting? So this makeup look, which is a night makeup look, I'm going to be showing you just using 3 more products. This is super easy and you can use this makeup when you're out on a dinner date or a party or a girls night out. So yes, also you can try this makeup look at a function or a wedding. This looks so easy and so beautiful, at the same time very decent and a natural, like a no makeup look. So if you're interested how I transformed a day look into a night look, so please continue watching. Okay guys, so I have tied my hair up and I have only applied a moisturizer and a lip balm. This makeup look is going to be very easy as I'm not going to use any kind of base like foundation, BB, CC cream. No, it's just going to be a concealer. But yes, if you have more problematic areas like acne marks, pimples or pigmentation, you can definitely go ahead for higher coverage and apply a foundation. But as I have a pretty decent skin, so I'm not going to apply any base, and just a concealer works perfectly fine for me. So now without wasting any more time, let's quickly start with the video. So the very first thing I'm going to apply is a concealer. This is from Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and I'm in the shade Light. So I'm going to apply very little under my eyes, little bit near my nose and mouth area, and yes, that's it. And let's just quickly blend it. You can clearly see the difference what a concealer makes immediately. Just whatever left over is in the beauty blender, I'm just gonna run it all over my face. That's it. I'm not going to take any extra product. Okay, so my concealer has blended really well. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to apply is a loose powder to just set my concealer a little, and I'll just take a little and run it all over my face. Okay, so this is done and it looks pretty decent. Next thing I'm going to apply is a liner. I'll just apply it off camera and get back to you. Okay, so I have applied a liner. This is like very simple basic liner. It's not wing liner. So yes, and the next step is now to apply a mascara. Cannot do without mascara. So the mascara is again from Maybelline. It's the Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. This is the washable one, not waterproof. So let's just apply it quickly. You can immediately see the difference between my two eyes. A mascara can immediately open up your lashes and makes it look so beautiful. I'll quickly apply on this eye and get back to you. Okay, so I have applied mascara and now our final step is going to be, of course, a lipstick. Any look without lipstick is incomplete. Okay, so I'm confused which one to apply. These both shades are from Lakme. Okay, I'll go with this one. This is more of a brown shade. This is the Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lipstick and I'm in the shade Nude Twist. Wow, such a pretty shade. And yes, that's about it. This is my basic day makeup look. And yes, you can skip few products like a liner or mascara and you're sorted. You have to basically figure out what works best for you. You can of course play with lipstick shades, but other than that, your base or eyes will be the same, and please stick to it. And yes, now the best part is I'm going to transform this day look into a night look just using 3 extra products. So yes, let's begin. And the very first product is going to be a liner. Now I am going to keep this black liner as it is and just add a golden liner. Now what you can do is you can completely apply a golden liner on a black liner, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to make a wing with this golden liner and it looks so beautiful. I'll quickly show you. Just going to make a wing using this golden liner. That's it. This is what we are going to do. We are not going to apply it fully, just a wing. That's it. And it looks so beautiful. I'll quickly apply on this eye and get back to you. Okay, so this is how it looks. It looks so beautiful. मतलब ये थोड़ा decent भी लगता है और ऐसे लगता भी नहीं कि बहुत ज़्यादा किया है, because ज़्यादा भी gold अच्छा नहीं लगता है. But this is like a balance. Little glamour is must. So yes, you can see this looks so beautiful. Okay, so our next product is definitely going to be a highlighter because it's a night look, it's a party look, and it is incomplete without a highlighter. So I'm going to apply a highlighter. Very little, not too much also. A very little. I'll just take this a little and apply it on my nose. Wow, it looks so beautiful. You can clearly see the glow this highlighter gives. Like, this looks so pretty, right? Okay, so our third product is a red lipstick. Now this is completely optional. As this is a night look, I really like to keep it little bold. And what's better than a red lipstick? But if you're not comfortable, you can anytime stick to your favorite lipstick. And this is like a completely optional step. But I like to use a red lipstick, so I'm going to apply it. I'll quickly remove this one and apply a red lipstick. Before applying a red lipstick, you have to line your lips. For liner, I'm using Lakme eyeliner in the shade Fine Wine. So I'll quickly line my lips. Be very careful while applying a red lipstick because it's very dark color. Okay guys, so this is all what I do if I want to go on a party or a dinner. So that's it, a golden liner, a little highlighter and a red lipstick and you are sorted. And yes, this is how it turned out and I'm so happy and this looks so beautiful, right? That's it for today's video. I really hope you like it, and all the products I have used are going to be mentioned in the description box below with their direct links. So if you want to buy any of these products, you can just click on the link below. And yes, that's it for today's video. I really hope you like it, and if you did, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, press the bell icon for notifications, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.